Hey everyone, split your hair into two sections on the side and make a ponytail and make it go inside by using a hair loop, then twist it and form a braid. Do the same on the bottom section of the hair, and also this time we're gonna have some hair string attached to it and braid it along with that. Then do another part of the braid at the bottom and have a hair clip attached to that. Divide your hair into two sections in a zigzag manner at the back side and make two ponytails. And one ponytail, make a twisted pattern and grab some more hair from behind and make a loop and bring it inside. Then pinch the hair from some design and have a braid bend it together and have a lovely wrap band attached to it. Divide your hair into two sections. In the middle section of the hair, have a braid, and the side of her bottom section, make a bunch and have it attached together, making it hang down. Then have a lovely ribbon and braid the remaining part of the ponytail and have a bun and secure the ends. Grab some section of hair in the top side and make a braid, and with the remaining hair at the bottom, have a loop and make a ponytail. Then with the remaining section of the hair again at the bottom, have another ponytail and have a loop and make a bell-like design. Make 4 ponytails out of the 4 section of the hair and make loops on the top part of the ponytail. In the bottom ponytails, make them braided and make 2 more braids on the top part. Make a smaller loop in the first one and a larger loop in the second one. Have top and bottom section of the hair. In the bottom section, make a braid and make it pinch to have a bubble-like design, and have a ponytail on the top. Insert a very long bun maker, twist your hair on it and twist the entire bun maker along with the hair and completely hide the tips beneath the bun, recreate it and secure the tips. In the middle section of the hair, have some hair ties, and a part of the back section, make a ponytail and make the hair ties sit on it. Then twist the braid a little bit to make a bun. Then have a braid at the bottom section of the hair and attach to it. Apply some hair wax on your beautiful hair and comb it a little bit, have a ponytail and split that into 2 and form a loop and bring it inside. Divide it into 2 and make the left front go into the right and form a bun. Then secure the ends and make it go to the top and secure it by using a lovely hairpin. Then of course go for your hair clutcher. Apply some hair wax on your lovely hair and comb your hair to spread the wax entirely to your hair strands and make a bunch and secure it by using a lovely hairband of your choice. Then the remaining ponytail, make it extremely thick and have a braid. This braid should be so thick, okay? Then at the bottom section, attach some hair clips. Thank you guys for watching this video.